everybody, it's me and welcome back to another video. Something I realised while editing my past videos is that a lot of people may think that all of my videos are filmed all at once. They're not, it's just the only colour t-shirt I wear is black, and this is my favourite hooded sweatshirt. Hey buddy. So, my Kmart order finally came in. It did get split up into 3 deliveries, and let's go ahead and unbox. What is it? What's that? Ready? Pop! You pop it? Pop. Pop. Oh, pop. Oh. Okay. Let's start with this one. Can you make it pop? Pop. Okay. We have the simple, refreshing gel face wash. We have 2 simple, hydrating light moisturizers. Alright, let's have a look at this one. Have you made it pop yet? Pop. Yeah. For anybody who doesn't know, this is Doreen, my youngest daughter. She's 1.5. You say hello. Alright, we have the Glow Illuminating Serum Booster with vitamin C, pineapple extract, and orange essential oil. Is that? And the Hydrating Serum Booster with hyaluronic acid, jojoba oil, and ylang ylang essential oil. Okay, we have these. We have the rosehip oil facial mist for brightening and firming. We have a gentle milk cleanser with coconut oil and vitamin E. You made it pop yet? Pop. We also have the aloe and rose water with herb extract hydrating face mist. I think both of these are face mist. I'm not actually sure what a face mist is for. Close eyes, found to neck and face, and repeat as often. Okay. Alright, we have one of these. I've been seeing these all over skincare videos. My hair is a mess, I apologise. But my house is also a mess, and I don't apologise for that. Seen these everywhere. Oh, that's a lot heavier than what I thought it would be. What is this? We have face masks. First we have the Shea Butter lip mask. We have 2 black food recipe gel masks. Sorry, 3 of those. I have 2 deep purifying O2 bubble masks. I might do a video on one of these actually, because I've got a couple of carbonated sheet masks and I'd love to see a time lapse of it just slowly puffing up. And finally we have Hello Hydro, 5 sheet masks for hydration. Come in this little pack. Here you go. Coconut, that's what these look like. There's 5 of those. And that is everything. Some of this will go into my skincare fridge. Most of it won't. We'll be moving soon, and I'll do another video of setting up, I guess, a vanity area for the first time, and I've had since, I think maybe, 6 years I think, and decorating my room, and hold on for the plane. And making my bed, which I'm really excited about because I haven't slept. Mummy hasn't slept on a proper bed for nearly 4 years. So I'm excited for that. Do you want me to make a pop? Ready? 1, 2. Pop! Alright, you say bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.